Can we get some yams?
Run, run, don't trail behind. Keep moving the beast. Won't stop till we're dead. All the scrapes on our knees will tell you.
So basically, DJ and I are traveling across the state and we're gonna go see some waterfalls, go hiking, because today's his birthday! He's 18, and last year for my 18th birthday, we went to Charleston. But this year, we are spending a 3-day trip across the state. The end of the rainbow. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. DJ cooked up the SpaghettiOs. I did the grilled cheese. Okay, rate it. 1 out of 10. Final thoughts?
11.
So we set up camp a couple hours ago and we went to go visit this waterfall called Looking Glass Falls, but then it started raining, so we decided to come back to camp and cook dinner. Our original plan was to go see the chapel tonight, but it's actually closed due to reservation, so we're gonna go to Bald Rock tonight. Hopefully it doesn't rain and hopefully I can fly my drone without any problems. Earlier I attempted to fly my drone just outside the campground and there was just like no service, so it wasn't really connecting that well. Basically, I just want to talk about why I wanted to make this video. Today is DJ's birthday and I just wanted to do something special with him. It's kind of like what we do every single year. Last year, DJ and I had a saying during the summer and we would always say YOLO, meaning you only live once, and that's just kind of like how we are right now. It's just a good reminder to, you know, enjoy those little things in life and also have fun and take those risks and adventures. And that's exactly why we're camping almost in the middle of nowhere at a very sketchy campground. And if you don't believe me when I say it's sketchy, literally, who gives directions like that? Oh my god, what a jump scare. But yeah, this video is just a reminder to have fun, be a teenager. If you are a teenager, if you're an adult, be a teenager. Who cares? You literally only have one life, so live it. So it's currently 9:19. I think it's supposed to rain soon, but we drove down to Bald Rock, just missed sunset, but it was also really cloudy, so I don't think we could have seen anything. Since it is about to storm really bad, we're gonna hold off on starting a fire because we were originally gonna do s'mores or popcorn, but I think we're just gonna do both tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go see Pretty Place, which is that beautiful chapel, and it's not too far from here. But yeah, I didn't mention this, but we're staying at Black Forest Camping Resort. At first it was like kind of sketchy, but now it's like pretty chill, but it's super nice and the people are super sweet, so yeah. Wakey wakey. Good morning.
Don't leave me here alone. Don't tell me that we've grown for how to love.
Good morning. So today is our second day here. Basically we went to the Fred Symes Chapel this morning. It was super nice, but it was also super rainy like all night long and all the way up to about 10:30 this morning, but it just stopped raining, so we're gonna go to a couple different waterfalls. Our change in plans, like our schedule itinerary thing, changed a little bit just because of all the rain. And then tonight we're gonna eat dinner, have s'mores and some popcorn, and then I think we're gonna go to Bald Rock or the chapel again. I have no idea.
Go wait me in her water, in her holy light, and I'm drinking her fruitful body. It's the sweetest wine. To come meet me in the garden, where the angels sing. We're mixing up milk and honey, soft lips divine.
We just had dinner. How was it?
Very good. 11 out of 10. I
Again.
made this fire, flint and steel.
Let's just ignore the matches in my grandma's fire starters. It's 5:29. We're gonna eat some s'mores even though we just ate dinner. And then we're gonna have popcorn later. And then we're gonna go watch the sunset at Blog Rock.
Alright guys, so Jocelyn took her drone super high up in the air and like it wasn't coming back, and she pushed like the return home button and it still was not coming back. She finally got it back down. She told me to grab the vlog camera, but now it's settled. Look, there it is.
What happened was that my drone had like a certain battery thing, so I had to like, you know, fly back here, and it was like all the way up there, like behind the tree, so I couldn't really see it. I pushed return to home, and I thought it would like come straight here, but it went up, I guess looking to see where I was, and then coming straight down, and it went so far up that I then got a notification that the winds were too strong. And so I was like, I'm gonna lose my drone, but I didn't.
So I think we're about to play it safe and do some Bible study and stuff and stop flying drones 10,000 feet up in the air, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. About to lick a salt rock. Ew, it does taste like salt.
It is a salt. It's a salt rock with it.
I didn't know it was actually gonna taste like salt.
3 leagues down the soft side of where you left my rose crown, it broke down and left me with a chest hum.
Watching The Notebook tonight. Get a live action shot of Sue Sparks.
You're calling 911? Oh my god.
He was about to. Oh my god. Just about to whack some guy in the head with it.
We're back at Caesar's Head.
After Jocelyn almost missed the turn, started slowing down a good 5 feet before the turn, came in here like Vin Diesel. We came in like a good 50 miles per hour, and this is the sharpest turn you could ever imagine in your life.
But we made it safely.
And then I told her not to park all the way in Jamaica, so she was laughing. And then she ran up on the sidewalk. Because there's no way to get to this rest stop if you're going the other way.
Oh my god. There's a little spider. Can you? It's on the tent.
It's what I was born to do.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh, shoot, he's zipping. Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna do a little fit check?
Oh. You got the Boy Scout grade shirt.
Oh yeah?
Walmart $12 military grade pants. Some shoe department hiking bear claw shoes.
Nice.
$8 watch from Walmart. It's got a compass that doesn't work.
Fancy.
And my fancy Walmart backpack.
With the new pin from Caesar's Head. I love it.
Yeah.